Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have two all-new Disney Hot Wheels series to talk about. My next video will feature even more Hot Wheels news, and I'll also be announcing the winner of my latest Hot Wheel car giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned. First, we have this new Disney Hot Wheels character car set featuring 6 all-new original vehicles. The second set is a new 8-car Mickey Mouse series based on popular Hot Wheels models. The Mickey Mouse cars are themed around the many different Mickeys we've seen over the years. Each car is a standard Hot Wheels vehicle, which means this set should be priced the same as mainline cars. The Disney character art on each model is what really makes these new cars special. As we get better photos of the entire set, I'll be sure to keep you guys all up to date. Now let's take a look at the Disney character cars, which are a premium set of 6 new characters. The cars packages are the same as other character cars such as Star Wars and Marvel themed models, but with the addition of your favorite Disney character. The 6 vehicles are based on a wide variety of Disney characters such as the classic Mickey Mouse and Elsa from Frozen. We also get a Winnie the Pooh truck and Maleficent from Sleeping Beauty, and the last 2 are Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas and Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. I'm really glad Hot Wheels chose to design a diverse selection of these Disney characters, so there really is something for everyone. Next, we have some cool concept drawings from Mattel that show off the process of designing these unique Hot Wheels toys. What I love about these models is that everything on the car is built to represent the character, and my favorite touch on Mickey's ride is the ears in the center of the wheels. Winnie the Pooh's honey truck has to be my favorite of the series because I think it's the best vehicle to represent the character's shape and colors. Jack Skellington's skinny dragster is a great design for his tall skeleton shape, and Maleficent's car is designed with dark evil colors that match her villain character. It's also very easy to see Mike Wazowski's shape in his awesome green ride. I'm very excited to get these Disney character cars and Mickey Mouse series when they launch later this year. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.